Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add keywords on YouTube channel. So don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So the first we need to go and open our browser. Let's choose Google Chrome here for example, and then once we're here we need to open Google. Now we will search for YouTube and open the first link, youtube.com as usually, and then up in the right corner click on your photo here and then choose YouTube Studio. And once you choose a YouTube Studio here, just go down, choose settings, this option, click on it. And once you click on settings, as you can see here, we got a lot of options such as general, channel, upload defaults, permissions, and so on. We'll go to channel, the second option here, we click on it. As you can see here, we can add keywords. So for example, we can add videos and click enter, and then you can add, for example, edit and click enter once again, and then you can choose save here to save your settings on the keywords. So that was all in today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.